Hey YouTube, I was just out shopping for an airbed that I'm going to be using when I'm on my vacation, and I just don't want to sleep on my sister's couch. I'm just going to try and be a little bit more comfortable since I'm going to be there probably for a week or so. So I figured I would do a quick review on my new airbed. The one I purchased is called Outbound, Canadian Tire. It was $46, so half price from the normal price, 50% off. This is it. It's still in the box, and the box is sealed because apparently you are not allowed to take these back after they've been opened, and I totally get that. So I'm hoping this works out for me. So let's open this up. So with airbeds, there are quite a lot of options. And I wasn't sure which one I should get. I didn't want to buy the airbed and then have to get a separate pump, because then I'm going to be, carrying around a pump as well as the airbed. It's just too much stuff to have to worry about. And then they have the kind of airbed that you would buy. It comes with a pump. You can get a bed that comes with a pump that runs on batteries, which again, I didn't want to have to worry about having batteries for my pump. And then there's this pump, which this one is an electric pump, so you have to plug it into an outlet. I'm getting somewhere with this box. They really want to make sure you really want to open this, because you're not going to be able to return it. So the good thing about this particular airbed that I bought is that it was on sale. I bought it at Canadian Tire for $46, and that's half price from the regular price. So 50% off. I thought that's a pretty good deal. So it looks like this is the bag that's included. So that's a pretty good bag. It should last a while. Oh, here's the opening for it. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Sorry you can't see too much right now, but I will put this down on the floor and change the angle of the camera. So there's not a million pages to the instructions, which is good. It's just actually the one page. Okay, so here we are. I got it out of the box, and I'm just gonna unfold it. I purchased a single bed because that's all I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it's bigger than I thought, and it looks pretty sturdy actually, because it's not easy to maneuver because it's pretty heavy. So pretty good. Okay, so see how easy this is to work. I'm not sure. There's this compartment here. I'm not sure what it's for. Okay, that's the cable. Of course, it needs a cable. Let me just untie this. Hopefully Here, I'm in focus here. It's actually not easy to film yourself because you can't tell what exactly you're filming, and that's always a bit of a challenge. Okay, I guess I should probably read what the tag says. Okay, no problem. That's the plug. So I'm not going to plug it in right away. I just want to see what else. So the compartment has a slot, so you can still close up the compartment and pull the plug out. So that's pretty good. That's good. Okay, so I guess I'll need the instructions just to see what I'm dealing with here. They're telling me to turn in clockwise for inflation. It's inflating nicely. It's been 1 minute so far, and it looks pretty good. Blows up. Oh my god, it's so solid. Like, that took like 2 minutes. That's unbelievable. Like, I'm really impressed with the quality. It feels really nice. The material's really soft. So I'm gonna get on there and check it out. So here's the pillow part, just so you can see what happens when I get on. There, let's do this. Okay. It's pretty awesome. Oh my god. Now I'm not sure if I got the right amount of air in. Should probably just read the instructions and see what it says about that. Okay, so just plug it in and stop. Okay, so that took 2 minutes to blow up completely. Like, how awesome is that? I know you don't always have an electric plug when you're camping, but I don't know, I think you can probably use your car power or some power pack or something. I do see that it also inflates with a hand pump. The hand pump is not included. I'm not sure what kind of, oh yeah, so it looks like one of those hand pumps that, like, it's a thicker hose, maybe like close to an inch thick hose. So you have to make sure you obviously get the right kind for that. And yeah, so I'm totally gonna be able to sleep on this comfortably. It's way better than the couch. I got lots of space. Of course, I'm not that big. I'm only 5'2", and I weigh about 125-ish. And it goes up to 500 pounds, this thing, so this is not going to be a problem whatsoever. Like, I'm really impressed with it. The price was definitely right, and I mean, it inflated in 2 minutes. Like, that's awesome. So I'm going to time how long it takes for it to deflate and go from there. Oh my god, like, it's so cool. If you're looking for an air bed, definitely check out this brand. It's called Outbound. I'll put it on the English side because I can't speak French. It's Outbound, and this is this is a double high, so that means the thickness of the bed is double. So let me see if I can lift. Oh, it's really light when it's blown up. So it's really thick, so that's gonna take you like way off the floor, which is a good thing. And I don't know if you can see the brand. Yep, that's good. Yeah, so it's really cool. Now I'm going to press the deflate button and see what happens with that. See how long it takes. It'll probably take a little bit longer for the air to come out, I'd imagine, but not a big deal. So it's simple enough. Just turn the knob. Oh wow. There's a lot of air coming out of the side. It does make a little bit of noise, and it's kind of like being in front of a fan when you stand near the pump, but it's deflating really quickly. So you can see it's deflating really quickly. Like, okay, so yeah, it makes a bit of noise, but no big deal. So this is what the valve looks like. Here's the valve. And right now there's like a lot of air coming out of it. I'll just show you how long the plug is. So the plug's pretty good. It looks like it's about 5 feet long. So that's good. Nice quality on the fabric. I mean, this thing was $46 on sale, 50% off. I think it's a great deal. Yeah, that's done. That is done. So that was about 2 minutes as well. Well, let me shut this off. I was able to get it in the bag. It folded it up, no problem. Nice sturdy bag. Has a handle. So yeah, so I like it. I'm really impressed with this unit, and if it breaks or anything, I'll update the video and let you know, but I don't foresee that happening. So hey guys, that's my video for today. That was my review. if you're in the market for an air mattress, that you found this helpful. And if you did, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching, and I really appreciate the support. Thanks, and see you next time.